stitching stories in the gray. We were drifting in a slow, quiet orbit. Every breath felt 1,000 miles away. Clouds lean low like they were listening. Branches bowed, dark and bare and brave. All the hills wrapped in silver and silence, like the world only wanted to wait. Heart of the lake, holding the sky like a secret. Every small wave carrying time in its hands, round and around. In the hush between the raindrops, everything still, like the earth forgot to stand.